Close your eyes and imagine a city where boats are the main way to get around instead of cars. A place where the streets are made of water. Or what about a country so tiny you could walk across it in less than an hour? Let's discover amazing cities and countries around our globe, each with a story and a surprise. Today, we become world explorers. Let's begin. These are the learning objectives. Identify famous cities and countries across the world. Understand special names or nicknames given to some cities. Learn interesting facts about major global cities. Let's explore the meaning behind the nicknames of some popular places. These are not just titles, they reveal a lot about culture, geography, and history. Venice, known as the floating city because it's built on over 100 small islands connected by canals instead of roads. You travel by boat. Russia, the largest country on earth. It stretches across Europe and Asia, covering multiple time zones. Cape Town, called the Mother City of South Africa. It was the first city established by European settlers there. London, the capital of England and one of the oldest and most influential cities in the world. New York, a bustling city in the USA, often referred to as the Big Apple. It's famous for Times Square, Broadway, and its skyscrapers. Australia, described as the land down under because it lies in the southern part of the world map. Vatican City, the smallest independent country in the world. It's the home of the Pope and is located within the city of Rome, Italy. Japan, known as the land of the rising sun, because it lies to the east of the Asian continent, where the sun rises first. These names tell us stories about the place's history, geography, or special qualities. Let's now look at some interesting questions and challenges from your book. Beijing is the capital of Dash. China. It's one of the most ancient cities and is famous for the Great Wall. Which country is known as the gift of the Nile? Egypt, because the Nile River brings water and life to the dry deserts. Did you know? Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is the most populous city in the world according to the 2024 World Population Review. That means more people live there than in any other city on earth. What are some popular cities in India? Cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Bengaluru are famous for their culture, trade, and population. Why do you think people live in large numbers in cities like Tokyo and Mumbai? Design a travel advert for one of the cities you learned about. What highlights would you include? Remember how we started with a question: which city floats on water? Now we know, it's Venice. Our journey has just begun because every city has a secret waiting to be discovered. All you need is a curious mind. In this video, we learnt about special nicknames of famous cities, explored interesting facts about places across the world, answered questions using our memory, understanding, and creativity. And that's all for today. See you next time, World Explorers.